The Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Monday, the 30th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather this week trending wetter and cooler. Let's check things out. Big trough in the western states. Upper low brought snow to Denver last night during that Sunday night football game. So the upper low itself is over Wyoming. Still got a flat ridge here, but that will be slowly going away with time. A cold front is draped over northwest Alabama. Behind that front, you've got 40s. Ahead of the front, you've got 60s. Birmingham at 65 to start the day. And we'll probably hover in the mid to upper 60s all day today with clouds. But the better chance of rain will be north of the state. We'll peek at the radar. That was captured early this morning at 5:16. Had a little light rain around Tuscaloosa, Birmingham. The bulk of the rain north of U.S. 278, that's where the better chance of rain will be today, is north of Hamilton, Cullman, Gadsden. But that rain area is slowly shifting southward tonight and tomorrow. Around the nation, while we've been in this warm air for the past several days, been very cold out west. They're in the single digits, some spots out there below zero. And we'll see nothing like that, but we'll clearly trend cooler later this week. There's a watch warning map, a dense fog advisory for extreme South Alabama from Atmore over to Dothan and Ozark. Just to the north, we have a flash flood watch for the eastern half of Tennessee. And well to the north, winter storm warnings for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas, where they've got a good snow event going on. Some folks up there could see 1 foot of snow over the next 36 hours. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, balanced through Saturday morning. This is suggesting rain amounts here over the northern half of the state between 1 and 2 inches. The heavier totals over northeast Alabama, lighter amounts down south. Here's a higher resolution look at that. You can see for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, amounts between 1 and 2 inches. And we should point out this is valid through Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. Bigger numbers over the northeastern corner of the state, amounts up there between 2 and 3 inches. And then you go down to places like Greenville and Troy and Phoenix City, Eufaula. Hardly any rain there. All right, model fans, here we go. Let's take it on the dailies. This is today at noon. 500 millibars, the 06Z run of the GFS model. Big upper low to the west. Down below that, a surface boundary is stalled out over North Alabama. Got a big snowstorm going on from Kansas up to Minnesota. That's where those winter storm warnings are in effect. And this is the high-res HER model today at 2 o'clock. And you can see it's got the bulk of the rain north of a line from near Vernon to Lake Gunnersville to Fort Payne. So if you are in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, much of this day will be dry. You might see a few sprinkles around, but probably not much rain. But on the other hand, no sun. The sky will be cloudy. And temperatures upper 60s, maybe low 70s in spots. Now, once you get south of Interstate 20, yes, you'll probably see 70s today. Tomorrow, the front sags southward and the chance of rain increases for north central Alabama. Everybody should get wet tomorrow. We stay in the low to mid 60s all day. Wednesday, this surface boundary is not in a hurry to move. It will be cooler and wet with rain continuing at least part of the day. And highs will drop into the 50s on Wednesday. And then finally by Thursday, we break into drier air. Thursday, the sky becoming sunny. Temperatures exactly where they should be. 50s during the day, 30s in the morning. And I say that's actually a little below average for early December. Same thing on Friday, cool and dry. Start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s. And this is Saturday as the weekend begins. December 5th, most of Alabama dry. Rain for the Florida Peninsula. Orlando, Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa. Temperatures, I'd say we'd see a high at or just over 60 on Saturday. That's about average. And the Sunday, evidence of maybe a touch of light rain for the southern half of the state. North Alabama will stay dry. The day begins around 40. The high will be around 60. A week from today, Monday, December 7th, that pattern not looking especially cold. Little shortwave to the north and west of the state. Moisture surges north. That looks like our next decent chance of rain. Monday, December the 7th, if this verifies. Here's the end of the forecast. Wednesday of next week, the 9th of December. Nice trough axis passing to the east, and we are cool and dry. That's right. These are temperatures off the ensembles for the next 15 days. You can see after tomorrow, the numbers come down. Highs drop in the 50s for a while. Lows, a few mornings in the 30s, but mostly in the 40s, so no sign of any freezing temperatures through December 15th that verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.